This is a demonstration on doing a quick release knot. What you should do first if you're tying up an animal is loop it twice. Looping it twice allows you the leverage to do the knot without the animal pulling it free. You would then do a loop with your loose end underneath and go behind the end that the animal is tied to, pulling through the loose end through the knot and pulling tight. This way the animal can pull but doesn't get loose unless you need it to. Then you would pull down on your loose end to release.